Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how to do an energy analysis in Autodesk Revit. So quite a few of the people have been requesting this, and today I'm going to show you how. I personally don't prefer to do my energy simulation on Revit. I have been doing that in IESVE, and as you have seen in my channel, I have done before previous videos on it. But even Revit has quite a few options to do this, and it's very efficient. I hope so. So let's just go to it. First, I am going to show you how to do it in Autodesk Revit 2021 version, because there is a difference in 2021 and 2019. I am also going to show in 2019. The first differences for this part will be on the analyze table. If you can see right now, it's the 2019, and in the inside part there is given heating and cooling. There is a button over here, and these are the energy optimization. However, in 2021, if you can see, come here, the insight is over here. It's called energy analysis, and there is no button for heating and cooling, but however it's somewhere here. So we are going to start first with the 2021. As you can see, I have a very simple building over here. I have added some windows, some skylights, and there is a glass facade over here. Let's see it from the top, which is something like this. The glass facade is on the south side. So first, what you are going to do is, as usual, you are going to locate your project. You are going to give it a location. I'm just keeping it for right now Boston. You can just type your own location and then do that. Once you are done with it, you have to create an energy modeling. How to do that is over here, which is an energy optimization. So you need to create an energy model. So here you will be saying that, okay, you are about to create an energy analyting model. So let's just create energy analytic model. So the Revit will automatically create this. This is an analytical space, if you can see here. You can have different energy systems, which is kind of similar to in my previous video when I showed when we convert Revit model to IES. So here you can add your construction phases, whether it's existing or new. There are these things, and other options are target, percentage glazing, what kind of building it is it an office, is it a home, or anything like that. You can edit your HVAC system. This is again depending on your project, so let's just keep whatever it is there. And you can also add building operating schedule, whether it's a school, whether it's a theater, it's a 24/7 facility, if it's a 12 to 5 facility, etc. Year-round school. Outdoor air information can also be given over here. Again, these are project specifications you can add the details of. Export category here should be the one whether you have allocated rooms in your project or spaces. So I have done rooms, so I will just keep it room. Here you need to tick on detailed elements and then go to edit. You can edit over here whatever your wall is, whether it's a low insulation, high insulation, and etc. and so on. You can add or edit everything over here. So I'm not going to change anything. I will keep that to you, and I'm going to just say okay. Now what we are going to do is here also there is a generation for energy analytic model. let's just first go to the simulation. So there are two kinds of simulation here. One is annual building energy simulation, another is HVAC system loads and sizing. So let's first see this one. I will call it energy simulation and run analysis. So you will be seeing that it's loading. Something like this will come up here on your right bottom of the screen. If you see this one, it's going on in the process. When you click here, you will get something like this. It's going on, and we will click that after some time. Let's do this one, and we say this is HVAC analysis or simulation and run analysis. So you will see that in the background you are going on doing two simulations together. It's similar to the one which is what we do for lighting. Until this is going on, we can maybe explore this. It's the same thing again, and this is optimization. These are some optimization strategies. Again, this takes you back to Insight, which, if you have remember, it goes on to some kind of project version, how you can optimize it. So it's a very simple strategy. It depends what's your need for the project. So there are different viewing ways how you can view your project. This is the total annual need or things. This is the complete power consumption or energy consumption, which is 274 kilowatt per hour per meter square per year. If you click on it again, it will change the amount of US dollar per meter square in annually. So here this is showing you some kind of benchmark for this building. Where there is an ASHRAE benchmark, there is architecture 2030 benchmark. It's somewhere in the middle, so it's kind of good. This is the model history. This is building orientation. If we click over here, we can see the building orientation, how things go on. If you change this, what happens, the energy cost, how can you reduce the energy costings. This is something like for you to test and optimize. So this is from inside. This will give you different strategies how you can optimize. So the WWR, or it is called the window to wall ratio in the south wall. So whenever, if you reduce, like whether it's 15% or 95%, it's changing. So how you can minimize the cost. If you can see here, if I bring the percentage of glazing to 15%, the cost goes down, while if I bring it to 80%, the cost goes up. Then we can go to window shades again. There are different shading systems. If you can see here, what strategy brings your cost to the minimum, you can choose from here. There is window glass and northern walls in all direction, how the window glazing should be. There is construction elements, lighting efficiency, daylight, and PV surfaces, that is photovoltaics or solar panels. Operating schedules, so currently it is 24/7. However, if you bring it to 12 or 12 to 5, how much will be the cost? Again, if you can see, energy cost has reduced significantly, well, compared to when it was 24/7. When it is 24/7, it just goes so high. So these are some ways of optimization. So again, you can get that from over here, which is called optimize, and this option is over in 2021. So let's check our schedule right now. Just double click over here. So as you see, I can get the system analysis completed, and I will go to it will give you where your reports are, that is project browser, reports, analysis report, and analysis energy simulation. So I open this. So it's something here. If you see on my left side, project browser, reports, and this is the analysis report, and you have here the analysis for energy and HVAC. So this is the energy simulation. As you can see here, this is the cooling energy, that is the highest, interior equipment, interior lighting, heating, and etc. This is the energy use. If you want to see the table, it comes again here. End use, there they give you the detailed table. Since this project have not been assigning any kind of HVAC details from these MEP, these came 0, but in a different detailed project it's going to be very efficient. You can see the electricity. They also give you these kind of graphical representation and table. Again, since these are not specified in this project, it did not show, but again, detailed projects will be benefited very much. Here you have detailed, and there is like lighting summary, shading summary, everything over here. Annual building demand and use, there are electricity meters, and so on. So as you can see, this is a very detailed report from the energy simulation. There is something in the ground temperature, and it's in a month wise. Okay, so one of the other analysis is also have done. I think that is the HVAC simulation. So let's just open that. Again, energy for the HVAC, they have given some content: electricity, natural gas. Since we have not specified anything, so it's all come 0. But again, when you have a detailed project here, you can easily generate a very detailed report from here for both HVAC and energy simulation. So we have seen energy simulation, how to optimize that, and this is 2021. Let's go to 2019. I have created a very simple project over here. I will do the same steps over here. Let's generate a energy modeling. So the energy model kind of looks like this in 2019. Energy settings, let's try to do the same things. It's almost the same from 2021. I have not given any room, so let's just do that. So I will just go to level 1, and I will just assign some rooms. Okay, and I go back to this model and go to analyze tab. Okay, so rooms it is, and detailed items, edit, and yeah, I will just keep everything similar. Say okay. So here, if you see, from 2021 here, there was something called system analysis, this button. So over here we are not finding that. Here it's written as heating and cooling loads. So there is a name shift in this version. Also it's given over here. So let's just click on this one. Okay, do you want to enable? Yes. Okay. it says no loads results available. Let's create model with spaces and generate close. Okay, so we need spaces over here, so let's just create spaces and place spaces automatically. Let's go back to energy model, and we have to specify spaces here and say okay. Let's try this now. It still says the same. So as you can see here, 2019 version of Insight does not produce a energy model or energy simulation. Okay, here now it's showing something. When I clicked again here, which is the reports and schedules, heating and cooling, it is showing me some things. Okay, and let's try to click on calculate. Okay, so here they have given me some building summary. Peak cooling load, yes, they have given the energy simulation, but it's just for cooling and heating load. So as you can see, there is a huge difference in the energy simulation from 2019 and 2021. Here they have given the cooling loads, details about spaces, volume, peak cooling load, and airflow, something related to the HVAC. And here each spaces have given different summaries, and that's it. Let's just come to the report. It's the same one. Okay, so here we generated this. Let's try again. No, it is not possible. So let's try to do the optimize from 2019 version, and let's see if that works similar to 2021. So it is to 2019, the Insight didn't work much, so I'm guessing it's the new version of Revit that is supporting more on Insight. So let's go back again to over here. This is giving pretty much a good feedback, and you can have a lot of section analysis and everything. You can have many optimization work, but again it's from 2021. 2019 failed to do so, so I am guessing 2021 or 2020 might be the good choice for this. So yeah, that's it for today. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer, and see you next time. Bye.